Pag-aaralan daw ng manager ng Philippine Ascals ang sexual harassment complaint laban sa dalawa nilang mandalarong sina Lexon Moy at Angel Girado. Pagtitiyak ng pamunuan kung sakaling mapapatunayan, hindi nila kukonsentihin ang pangyayari. Darito ang report ni Mark Zambrano.
I am so highly disappointed and disgusted. Again, because they're supposed to be the national team of the Philippines. And it happened in, our sport, in football. And we would like to think that, football is the number one sport. It's the best sport in the world. We have the best people. But I guess not.
Ito ang sentimiento ni Cristina Ramos tungkol sa pamabastos umano sa kanya ng Ascals players na sina Lexton Moy at Angel Girado. Nasa kamay na ng Asian Football Confederation ang sexual harassment complaint ni Ramos laban sa dalawang player. Nakausap na niya si Ascals team manager Dan Palami. Humingi na raw ng paumanhin si Palami para sa buong Ascals organization na tinanggap naman ni Ramos.
I will stand by, what I said and my complaints. And we'll just see where that takes us.
Kinukundi na naman ng women's group na Gabriela ang nangyari.
The bottom line of sexual harassment talaga, yung offense na naramdaman ng babae. Ibig sabihin, kahit sabihin ng lalaki na he meant no offense when he mentioned na pinansin niya yung size ng bra or whatever, pero the woman felt offended. She really can file for a sexual harassment. We also commend Commissioner Ramos for breaking her silence.
Sa kanyang official statement, sinabi ni Palami na pag-aaralan nila ang reklamo ni Ramos at hindi raw kukonsentihin ang nangyari kung mapapatunayan. Nagbigay naman ng mensahe si Ramos sa lahat ng miyembro ng Ascals at lahat ng national team.
Maganda sana isa puso nyo, okay? Isa diwa nyo. Okay? Iarte ninyo yung magagandang asal ng Pilipino.
Para sa unang balita, Mark Zambrano reporting.